Going on, everyone? Sam here with Latent Sports Cards, ripping one box of 2024 Panini Prizm WWE Undercard for Joseph P. So good luck here, Joseph. Let's see it, my friend. Let's see it. See what we got. It's Undercard, right? Just make sure that was Undercard again. I believe it is, but just to be safe. Yep, Undercard. Nice. Disco of the Roadie, I believe that is variation. And Disco of Roman Reigns. Yeah, you get like, I think, one variation per, I believe, per box. Disco of Undertaker and Disco of Roddy Piper. That's such a dope pick. Dude, him in the hot rod.
Yeah, that's
so cool. We've got a redemption of William Regal on the Undercard Gold to 10. Nice one there. Congrats on that, Joseph. Undercard Gold auto. That is sweet. Very nice, very nice, very nice. And Disco of Omis. So thank you, Sean, with a bunch of spots tomorrow. Appreciate you, buddy. Disco of Gunther and Disco of Shinsuke Nakamura. Disco of Wesley and Disco of Natalia. Disco of Hulk Hogan and a green of Kevin Owens. Nice one there to 49. 49 on the green. Got Harley Race. That is $2.99. And a Disco of Carlito. That is a blue of Lexus King to 25. And a Disco of Fallon Henley. Disco John Cena on the moments, and Disco of Karrion Kross. Got Disco R-Truth Prismatic Entrances, Disco of Ken Shamrock, and Disco of Miss Elizabeth. So that'll do it for your break there, Joseph. Thanks again for the support, buddy. Get him out to you, my friend.